how to turn on or off in-app sound on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To turn on or off the in-app sound on your Facebook, it is basically very simple. Start off by launching your Facebook application in your device. Now over here you need to log into your account if you have not yet. Once you are in here, in the top right corner, navigate to the three horizontal line. Then tap on the settings option. Once you are in settings and privacy, you can scroll down and check out on media. Now on the media option, if you scroll down, you will see the option of sound in the app. You can find the option under video and photo settings. Now if this button is toggled on, this means the in-app sound is toggled on or is enabled. If you wish to turn it off, just click on it. Now, this is how you turn it off. To turn it back on, just tap on it and there you go. That's it for how to turn on or off the in-app sound on Facebook. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.